Unbox my mobile cover for Realme 7. Let's see how it looks. The packaging is quite good, but my hand is not stable for this. I have waited for so long. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it's quite good. This is really beautiful. I really like this cover. See, you can also cover the camera phone, and you can open it when you take photos of your friends or for yourself. So thank you. So now I will put this phone in this cover. Let's see how it looks. The cover is quite good. It's so tough. See, whenever you need and you want to take a photo of your friend or anyone, you can just slide this out. If you're only using for like watching videos on YouTube, you can close this for your camera protection. Also hope you like this. See, it's really nice.